is again the Koala Kats, Casey and Callie.
Today we're doing sonic screwdriver pens,
And
we made these in the last episode.
if you haven't seen this video already, go ahead and check it out. You'll need
Pens,
marbles and
polymer clay,
and you also need
polymer clay.
you also need a picture of the sonic screwdrivers
If you want a copy,
if you
or
want
else
to copy them, or
tools to make the designs on them.
you could use like 3 marbles for this one. Okay, I guess we'll get started.
A sonic screwdriver is this tool. It kind of looks like a screwdriver, I guess. The doctor in Doctor Who uses to like open doors and scan things, I guess. I don't really know what he does with them. And they make a weird noise, but he uses them for everything. We're gonna get our mom to cut off this part of the lid, because that might interfere. See, if we put the clay around and then put it on, it's gonna like push it off, or like it's not gonna work. So we're gonna get our mom to
And you
cut that
also
part
need
off.
to pull the
Yeah, and you want a pen that you can do that with.
yeah,
So you don't like throw away at all when it's over.
and you can cut off it.
This is polymer clay. So the polymer clay, you bake it and it hardens, and it's not like you just don't leave it out to dry. So I guess we should pick a marble for right now.
I know that I'm good.
Me too.
We already decided this quite a while ago when we made our last video, so
I can get it.
just wanted to help you. Okay. Are we gonna go like blue? Or
Mine is green.
or you can go blue.
Okay, so
I think blue.
the black,
I don't know what I'm gonna use.
stick it on.
Maybe a little bit of this to stick it on.
It feels like an ice cream sandwich.
You might need to use.
See, it
You might need to use. Thinner is better.
Thinner is better because the plastic could melt when you're baking it if it's too thick.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Let's just do that. Mix it together. And roll. Ah. You need parchment paper on your surface so it doesn't wet the surface.
Oh yeah, we forgot to mention that. It could like stain, I think. It could stain your surface. As you can see, I am putting all my weight on this.
Let's cut this cube so I can roll it out a little.
It looks like candle wax.
Okay, can I use the rolling pin, please?
Oh,
Maybe mixed out with the gold.
That's how much I've done. I think that looks good. Now I'll just have to do like the little lines on there.
Maybe your next week we'll do like a season version of them.
That. I think that's really good.
Look at mine so far.
Like compared to here. Now this part's gonna be hard. Okay, that's the part. For now I need silver along here and along there, so start that. I have the little, it may not look very different, but I have the little silver rings there. So next I'll do that part down here, a little bit thinner. So it's gonna fall off the table. Okay. It looks like a lightsaber. Boom, 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 boom. It's a lightsaber. Of course, you could leave it like that if you really wanted it to be a lightsaber, but I want it to be a sonic screwdriver. So.
It's green.
I'm
just gonna use.
Now this part's gonna be tricky, I think, because look, there's parts that don't.
I want my rolling pin.
They don't like touch the pen.
The lightsaber.
I tried mixing them. It doesn't look any lighter. Like I mixed the silver with this. They look exactly the same. So I don't have to make it really thin.
I have a technique. You just squish the extra bits. Lightsaber pins. Casey's looks like a lightsaber.
Okay, this little circle, I was so confused of how to do it because see down there's a circle, like a ring. So I had to cut out a black circle with a straw and then very carefully, see, I punched a circle through with the gray and then squished it so it was a little bigger. That was really hard. But it looks even more like a lightsaber now. Just like,
I'm experimenting.
I want it to be like exactly how it is. So I fixed it and it looks better now. She's almost done already. You can barely tell on the picture, but I looked very closely and there's tiny dots all over this part. So I'm adding those in now. falling. Just in the middle of a video, he just decides to come up on the table. I'm just done. I think that's gonna turn out.
How I did this pattern, I took some of this gold here. I rolled it, and then I put it on this jar, squished it upside down, and that's how you do this pattern. Looks like a snake. One more. Oh, I need one more. I'm done my sonic screwdriver. Oh wait. See that? Nobody used the green, so I used some of it. There it is. I just put a bunch of colors on the rolling pin and put the piece of black down, and then I rolled it out, and then the colors stuck to the black.
It's kind of camera.
And then I used my snake rim to put around the edges.
Now that we have our sonic screwdrivers done and this plug, we're going to bake them, and the instructions for how to bake them are on doodlecraft.blogspot.com, so you can see how long to bake them. It'll also be on our Pinterest account, so you can just get to it from there. And the link is down below. We're going to take them out of the oven now, and then we'll let them cool so they're not, like, as soon as you pick them up, they go, ah! And you throw them and they break, but we're going to take them out now.
The golden plug dropped over.
Screwdriver pens done now. They came out of the oven and they have cooled down. The plastic didn't melt at 250 degrees for half an hour, so that's good. And now we're gonna put the ink in. And then the lid.
You have to be careful putting the lid on. It doesn't work on that paper.
Can you on this paper? Yeah.
It works.
Parents also wanted some, so we made some for them, and this is my mom's, and it's David Tennant's screwdriver, and this is our dad's. So, put the ink in first. And put the caps on. So there's David Tennant's, Matt Smith's, aliens, camel alien, they're Hallie and did these two, and they're just kind of. She just made them up as she was going. But me and my mom, we copied Matt Smith and David Pennett's screwdrivers.
Look at
and the white kind of turns see-through. So like I can see the red through that white, and you can in my mom's you can see the blue through. So it's kind of cool. You can go to Doodlecraft to see how to make them and how long to cook them if you wanted to. So it's doodlecraft.blogspot.com, and there will be a link to it down below. And there'll also be a link to a Pinterest account.
subscribe and
See you in our next video.
and we're probably gonna do something about secret.
No.
We're gonna do that.
So we're gonna do something that involves yarn next. And if you haven't seen it yet, go check out our last video.
I'm supposed to do that part.
Bye! I like my mom's screwdriver.